Hi friends, welcome to ALS Max JEE YouTube channel. Today we discuss the solution of first order and higher degree differential equation. We know that p power n plus a1 into p power n minus 1 plus a2 into p power n minus 2 plus so on an minus 1 into p plus an equal to 0, where a1, a2, so on an are functions in terms of x comma y, and p equal to dy by dx comma n greater than 1. This is the first order higher degree differential equation. This polynomial contains p and x and y. So this is considered as a function in terms of x comma y comma p. Therefore, given differential equation is f of x comma y comma p equal to 0. If it is solvable for y, it can be put in the form of y equal to g of x comma p. Differentiate y with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to, differentiate this function, we get the terms x comma p, and derivative of p with respect to x is dp by dx. So the new function contains, and differentiating this function, we get a new function which contains x comma p comma dp by dx. We know that dy by dx equal to p. So p equal to h comma x comma p, h of x comma p comma dp by dx. We can find p from this one and put the value of p in this differential equation. We get general solution. If it is not possible to find p from this one, then we find the value of x from this one. Let it be x equal to some phi of p. Take this is 1. Put the value of x in this differential equation and get the value of y, some alpha of p. These x and y values gives the general solution of this differential equation. That is, the values of x and y represent the general solution of this differential equation. We see some example on this model. xp square minus 2yp plus x equal to 0. Clearly it is solvable for y. So 2yp equal to, take x as common, we get x into 1 plus p square. 2y equal to x into 1 plus p square by p. That is 2y equal to x into 1 by p plus p square by p. Differentiate with respect to x, we get 2 into derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Here apply derivative of uv formula. We get u into x into derivative of 1 by p is minus 1 by p square into dp by dx plus derivative of p with respect to x is dp by dx plus 1 by p plus p, 1 by p plus p into derivative of x is 1. So 2 into dy by dx is nothing but p. 2p equal to x into take dp by dx as common, we get minus 1 by p square plus 1 plus 1 by p plus p. So 2p minus p minus 1 by p equal to here dp by dx. P minus 1 by p equal to x into take p square as common, p square as LCM, we get 1 minus p square into dp by dx. Here p is taken as LCM, p square minus 1 equal to x into 1 minus, here also p square minus 1, this one is also p square minus 1, p square minus 1, x into p square minus 1 by p square into dp by dx. That is p square minus 1 by p minus x into p square minus 1 by p square into dp by dx equal to 0. P square minus 1 by p is taken as common, we get p square minus 1 by p is taken as common, we get 1 minus x by p into x by p into dp by dx equal to 0. So either p square minus 1 by p equal to 0 or 1 minus x by p into dp by dx equal to 0. If p square minus 1 by p equal to 0, then p square equal to 1, p equal to plus or minus 1. Put p equal to plus or minus 1 in given dE, we get particular solution. It is not needed. So take 1 minus x by p into dp by dx equal to 0. 1 equal to x by p into dp by dx. So dx by x equal to dp by p. Take on integration, we get integration of 1 by x is log x plus integration constant log c equal to integration of 1 by p is log p. So log p equal to log x plus log c is log cx. So p equal to cx. Put p equal to cx in given dE, we get general solution of given dE. Given dE is 2yp equal to x into 1 plus p square. This is given dE. Put p equal to cx in this one, we get general solution of given dE. 2y into value of p is cx. 2y into cx equal to x into 1 plus cx whole square. C square x square. X cancel. So 2cy equal to 1 plus c square x square. This is the general solution of given dE. We will see another example. Y minus x equal to x dy by dx plus dy by dx whole square. Here y equal to x plus x, dy by dx is nothing but p, xp plus dy by dx whole square means p square. So y equal to x into 1 plus p plus p square. differentiate with respect to x, we get derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Here derivative of uv, u into derivative of v, that means x into derivative of 1 0 plus derivative of p is with respect to x is dp by dx plus 1 plus p into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of p square with respect to x is 2p dp by dx. dy by dx is nothing but p equal to x dp by dx plus 1 plus p plus 2p dp by dx. Here pp cancel. We get dp by dx is taken as common. We get minus 1 equal to x plus 2p into dp by dx. So minus dx by dp equal to x plus 2p. So dx by dp plus x equal to minus 2p. This is the linear differential equation, first order linear differential equation in terms of x. It is of the form dx by dp plus p of p into x equal to q of p. When we compare these both equations, we get p of p equal to x quotient 1 and q of p equal to minus 2p. Integrating factor of linear differential equation is integrating factor equal to e power integral p dp equal to e power integral value of p is 1 dp. So e power integration of dp is p. Integrating factor is e power p. General solution for linear differential equation in terms of x is x into integrating factor equal to integral q of p into integrating factor into dp plus c. So x into, here integrating factor is e power p equal to integral q of p is minus 2p into integrating factor is e power p dp plus c. So x e power p equal to minus 2 into, here applying integration by parts or chain rule. Chain rule means p is taken as first function and e power p is taken as second function. Differentiate first function with respect to p continuously until we get 0. Derivative of p with respect to p is 1. So derivative of 1 is 0. So we get 0. Next, integration of e power p is e power p. Integration of e power p is e power p. Multiply in this way. Take alternately plus and minus, plus minus. So p into e power p, p e power p minus 1 into e power p plus integration constant c. Divide e power p on both sides, we get x equal to minus 2 into p minus 1 plus c e power minus p. So this is equation 1. Put the value of x in given dE, we get the value of y. Put the value of x in given dE. Given dE is y equal to x into p plus 1. Y equal to x into p plus 1 plus p square. Put the value of x in given dE. We get y equal to the value of x is minus 2 into p minus 1 plus c e power minus p. This is the value of x into p plus 1 plus p square. This is equation 2. The values of x and y represents the general solution of given dE. That is equations 1 and 2. Equations 1 and 2 represent general solution of given differential equation. I will give 3 problems for practice. First one is x minus yp equal to ap square. Second one is y minus xp plus p square equal to 0. Third one is y equal to 3xp plus 4p cube. These 3 are first order and higher degree differential equations. These 3 are soluble for y model. Soluble for y. These three depends on this model. Thank you very much for watching ALS YouTube channel.